Let's write this letter. My heart beating miles to pass for my pain. Soon I'll be in your arms again. Today I'll be with you to taste all the sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, that's what I'm longing for. But most of all, I just want to hear that wonderful sound, I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I hear the sound, that wonderful sound, I need you. My love, whatever did we part? I need really sorry. Those doors have been storing up in my mind. When I get home, what will I find? Will you still remember? And will your love be tender and strong? I've been away from you so long. So when I'm home, I just want to hear that wonderful sound, I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I hear the sound, that wonderful sound, I need you. My love, whatever did we part? My love, whatever